So guys, I'm discuss about that, how we can do the SEO for particular website. So what is the first of all parameters important to the SEO for particular website option? So a lot of people worry about that. So my website is not showing for Google position, how we can generating keyword. So these all will be very, very important key points. In this first of all key point is called, these are major important key for on page. On page optimization is used to control the site to be optimized to the page coding. There's called URL optimization, title optimization, meta description, meta keywords, meta robots, XML sitemap, H1 tag, content optimization, image optimization, anchor linking, and footer optimization. Any particular link, suppose you are uploading something content on your website. In this, I can select in this content will be here. How to become an SEO expert. This blog I'm posting for my particular website. The purpose of people know about the SEO expert, how we can become a SEO expert. So I'm give the content will be here. So first of all, in this main important is called URL structure. What is the URL structure will be here? How to become an SEO expert. This is the first one. What is my keyword I'm promoting for? How to become an SEO expert in this. So there are a lot of content will be there. We can using this content will be in option. So this is a particular content will be here. Next option. I'll first example for the one particular link. After I'm showing for how we can uploading for particular content on your particular website also. After that one, the major importance is called control U. Here, the important key point is called your particular title and description keywords. What are the title, description, keyword we can use here? In this, we can hear, I'm promoting this total 3 keywords option. 3 steps on how to become SEO expert, how to become a freelance SEO expert, professional SEO specialist. Suppose I'm searching this keyword. I'm searching for incognito window. So people how to search, how to become SEO expert in 2020, how to become SEO expert, how to become an SEO expert. Okay, this keyword are complete. How to become 10 steps on. So they give the 10 steps how to become SEO expert. So why I'm writing for 3 steps? Only I'm give by the 3 steps option. I'm give by the 3 step to quality SEO expert, to become an SEO expert, or we can give the rules of for the particular SEO expert option. Now, next one, become an SEO expert learning path. So they are using different. But what is my common keyword is called SEO expert, search engine optimizer expert. These are very, very important. How to become a SEO expert according to HubSpot. They're writing some other website will be promoting HubSpot. How to become an SEO expert in 2020. These all keyword will be used. Specialist, and they're using for expert and beginner, professional. They're using lot of keywords. What are the best way to be professional SEO specialist? The writing some keyword will be here. So this all mean by we are writing for title description keyword. How people will be search. How people will be search. Main thing remember. Suppose you make the website. Purpose. Without traffic, nothing will be there. You're not generating leads. You're not generating for earnings. First important is called you become a generating traffic. The automatically you're getting for business. You're getting for leads. Simple. I'm starting one news portal. So what I use? In a news portal, I'm uploading news. I can't promote anywhere. What is the use of that? Nothing is complete for zero. So that is the more important. People will be promotion is more important. The promotion is first point is called SEO on page. The on page will be here optimized for first of all URL structure. Next will be title, description, and keyword. This compulsory optimized by your particular website will be here in this particular website option. In this one, next we will be using for H1 tag. Compulsory we have to using for one H1 tag compulsory mandatory. That is called your heading of the tag. How to become an SEO expert. This is your particular keyword that we optimize by using H1 tag. H1 tag will be header tag. It is a compulsory important every website using for H1 tag option. In your page, no H1 tag. Compulsory you have to add it. Compulsory you have to add it. They will depend on your developer. Suppose you have complete zero knowledge. Ask for developer, add your H1 tag. And your content optimization. What are the content writing for? The particular design we can using for SEO expert option. Here, if you're writing some other content will be here. Some other from like you can optimize some other URL. I'll show you. That is using for anchor text. I'll show you example. Guys, everyone know about SEO, but the parameters a lot of people are forgetting. Your structure, they don't know about the specification. How is it using optimization? If you're doing YouTube optimization, website optimization, anything that depend on by SEO, the keyword optimization, how will the people will be search. I may become an SEO expert. How we can that? So that all will be coming to where in this SEO main thing. That all will be search engine depend on your selection keyword. The keyword is more powerful to selecting for in this panel. So I'm logging for my things. In your option, I'm promoting for blog. Just go to blog option. I have to promoting another URL. Just this is my URL. I'm using for anchor text option. How to use in this option will be here. Edit. So blog. I'm click for edit option. On the last line, I'm using for anchor text. How to use anchor text? Here, the specific symbol is there, anchor text. So this is nothing but we can promoting for another URL. What is that? How to SEO on page help out the rank to the website. So this is I give the particular keyword. So all I'm give the particular services here. We have relevant topic we have adding here that using for anchor text option. That is mean by hyperlink. So you have to promote for another keyword on the particular content option. Here in this between you have to learn something about SEO on page everything. In this we can writing for learn SEO. This is all nothing but particular hashtags we can use the in a particular anchor tag will be in the URL option. That mean by we can go to blog where our SEO on page tutorial will be there. We can add it here. The main will be this all will be internal linkings. We can go to one page to another page. One page to another page. These all option will be here. Help out rank. In this everything will be here. Just I am searching for another option. So where on page, here is the on page off page tutorial will be there. Copy. Here give the hyperlink. Don't forget the symbol. And next. Here I am writing for learn. Off page tutorials. In between the we can promoting another links that all option will be using for in this option. Click for update. In this we have to promoting for 3 links in for particular option. Here one link, here second link option, in this adding for third one. So we have highlighting for particular content. This is most important. So when you're highlighting that content for particular symbol, the people easily watching for the particular content will be highlight. So in this option will be here. So I'm highlighting for particular URL option. Just I'm shading for admin panel, edit. So where I'm using for here is the character. Give the special character here. Why I'm selecting for particular character? For highlighting purpose. For highlighting purpose. Select here. Normal. Select your regular size. Refresh. Close. I'm refreshing particular page here. This all belongs to for in a particular anchor linking. If you are sharing for one page to another page content, these all compulsory. First one, URL optimization, title optimization, writing for meta description, meta keywords, robo.txt file. I tell you this one, XML sitemap, H1 tag, all are done by H1 tag. Content optimization, in your content, compulsory you have to use your particular keyword will be in the optimization purpose. What we can use in here, how to become a, and top world of SEO expert. We are using for in this particular tutorial will be used the particular option. Next, image optimization. So which image are using here? The same keyword will be using for image optimization. This Control U, Control F, we can use in for alt tag. In the alt tag will be used the particular image optimization purpose. We using for alt tag in the particular performance of the image can show to customer will be here. So this all will be in the particular option by using alt tag. That all will be in the image particular option. So any image will be here. Copy this. We can paste here. See the image optimization. How to become a SEO expert. Same image name we have to use for image optimization purpose. This all will be compulsory important. So that is called copy for in a particular image will be here. So these are all instruction we have to follow for image optimization purpose. Next, footer optimization. All relevant content we can add for the footer optimization purpose. This all will be using for footer optimizer will be here. This I'm using for particular purpose. This space I'm give for the particular commenting purpose I'm using for this option will be here. This all particular method we have to using for in this option will be called in the footer optimizers. After then task, next will be very important option will be called SEO off page optimizers. So this all will be how will be done by. In this we are mistaking for meta robo.txt file. Any website compulsory we have to check option will be robo.txt file. After .com we have selecting for robos.txt. Any URL will be block. Anything will be we can check for in this option. If you learn everything about how we can adding for this option, we can go to my channel, Digital Rakesh, and topic wise uploading for in the channel option. We can follow instruction by in these videos. Everything will be there about the XML sitemap. If you learn in detail, we can go to my blog option also will be there in the particular my website blog. Everything I'm writing for information on the blog option. How we can do that? So just how we can do the SEO for particular website, how we can optimize in this very, very important. If you do one mistake, nothing used for SEO. There is no coming to your website will be top position. This all will be compulsory important to optimize by image robo.txt. Suppose you're writing this code, the link blocked by robo.txt, any use? Nothing, you will be zero. You will be zero. Next important key point you have to do for google.com/webmaster. In this URL will be indexed or not, you have to check it. Or we can, the name is called URL inspection. Select it and search it. That all will be showing for here in this. Is not index. Requested to index the particular URL. So it's starting for indexing the particular URL where Google search results. Same like we have to using for Bing Webmaster and particular search engine purpose. There's a Bing and supporting for index. This all will be using for particular webmasters. These all key points to the promotion for the particular website using SEO on page. Without doing SEO on page, we don't do by SEO off page. Is compulsory key point on the particular website, do the SEO on page option. So indexing going on. Next, H1 tag, content optimization and everything. Next will we start for the how many H1 tag we can use. This is all information I'm adding for particular website. H1 tag will be used less than 3. Compulsory we have to use H1 tag 1, compulsory you have to maintain. And less than 3 you have to compulsory maintain for H1 tag option. After this one, now starting for SEO off page. Article submission, Google site, guest to posting. Guest post site will be here. You can supporting for Quora, Nabble, lot of websites are there. And commenting posting, we can creating for blog post, commenting post in the particular option. Document submission, PDF submission, image sharing, video sharing, social bookmarkings, and your particular will be classified listing. In this complete scenario promotion purpose, the mainly using for social bookmarking sites. The top sites will be there. Here option will be given by in this. Here, I'm just showing one option will be here, bookmark for you. Just to open this URL, everyone same option, bookmark for you here. First of all, log in your account, copy the URL without doing title description keyword. Don't optimize your website from any SEO off page website. Select here, save the website URL. Here, once website URL will be submit, we can't submit for once again. Next. In this, we have supporting for website and YouTube channel URL also. Support. Title done, description done, keyword done. Where you writing for? In the backend. Where you showing for website? Where is optimized for bookmarkforyou.com? Purpose of getting for backlinks. 82854. This is the captcha code. Next. The link will be submit. Now already I'm discussed. Once link will be submit, same link I can submit for once again. See this here. Already submit. Only they submit only for one time for the particular URL. The same like they're showing for n number of websites are there. Bookmark you. This all website will be generating for strong backlink for your particular website. This is only for YouTube link purpose. This all website will give the strong backlink for your particular website. Use it and upload for the content. Same like that, we have a lot of option will be there. Article submission. So how we can do the article submission? This complete information given by the in a particular website. Main thing is called, if you do the any particular website, we have to start optimize for the SEO on page more important. Promotion is not a big task. Coming to the Pinterest. If I'm go to the Pinterest option, select your URL. We are installed by Pinterest toolbar. Copy the title, pin it. Here, what the option will be there? Pin it option will be there. They open for Pinterest board. Create the board option. Don't exceed 50 characters and create it. One website we can promote number of keywords that all nothing but board. Create number of keywords, post it and promote your website. Finally, they're showing for where? In this Pinterest option. These are all nothing but two promotions. To all nothing but promotion. Everyone will be there in the URLs will be used in the particular option. So in the promotion purpose, any website, both are important. SEO on page and SEO off page. These all parallel we can do on the particular website. To show your website will be Google search results option. The finally, I'm showing here, anyone people will be searching for my company, digital marketing company in Madhapur. The people showing for into my website will be ranking in the Google will be here. So this is a ranking. So this is all in a particular option. In the clicking will be showing. This will be nothing but classified ads. Which one? Classified ads. So everyone we can creating this option to upload content for where? Your particular website. So use these parameters, promote your website, show on Google the particular two parameters, SEO on page and SEO off page. These complete notes and PPT I'm give by the blog option. You can download by the study material. So two things are there, SEO on page and off page. They're showing 2019. I'll update by 2012 also. You can download will be here in this study material option. If you any doubts in your particular SEO on page, please ask me in my particular YouTube comment box. Definitely will be support and how you can optimize your website SEO on page, off page. Any if you doubts about SEO on page, please ask me. I'll show the complete report on the SEO on page. So how you can implement your keyword that are all more important for the particular option. So this is the way we have to promote your website into the any search engine, the optimize for SEO on page and off page optimization. Further doubts, please follow my blog and study material option.